Today video is very important and it is the genetic lesson number 9 and it is about imprinting. So talking about imprinting is that some genes expression is influenced by the sex of the parent who uh, transmitted it actually um, to the offspring. So normally the thing is the one copy of a gene is inherited from father while the second copy is inherited from mother, and both copy will be active, uh, but however in some cases only one copy is activated while the other is inactive. And if this phenomena is influenced by the sex of the parent from which the gene is actually inherited, we call it a phenomenon. This phenomena is genomic imprinting. So genomic imprinting is that when the gene expression is influenced by the sex of the parent who transmitted it. So this is what we call genomic imprinting. Normally, the activation and the inactivation of a gene is usually achieved by epigenetic mechanisms such as methylation, acetylation, and demethylation. Now, the disorder that will be resulting from imprinting, they are called imprinting disorder, and it is actually the imbalance of active copies, uh, uh, which is the reason for imprinting disorder. Because the imbalance is that, as we know that both copies should remain active, but in this case only one copy remains active. So this could be responsible for the imprinting disorder, and we will be discussing it in detail in the coming. Okay, like example is Prader, Willi, and Angelman. Now, so these are we so far we have talked about genomic imprinting, and these genes are called imprinted genes. So, for instance, let's say the Prader Willi and Angelman syndrome both are caused by microdeletion of chromosome number 15, Q11, 12. Now, if this deletion occurs on the father, the chromosome that is inherited from father, it will cause Prader Willi, while Angelman syndrome will occur if that chromosome is derived from mother. So the same gene, but if it is affected on the mother's chromosome, it will give rise to Angelman, and while if it's on father's chromosome, it can give rise to Prader Willi. Now we have to. What does it mean? This implies that the gene responsible for Angelman syndrome normally what happens that the paternal copy normally silence in individuals while the maternal copy is active. So what happens if by any way the maternal copy is lost? So the paternal copy is already silenced, which is normally silenced. This will be so what will happen? There will be complete loss of gene activity, and so we will have zero or very decreased product of that gene, and this will lead to Angelman syndrome. And actually the deletion is one way that how Angelman syndrome will happen. I want to repeat it for you people. Let's say we have, when we're considering the example of Angelman syndrome, we have a gene for it which is present both on the paternal chromosome and maternal chromosome. But as this is an imprinted gene, paternal copy is always silenced. So if a deletion occur of the maternal copy, we will have no active gene. Paternal gene is already silenced by the imprinting phenomena, and the maternal copy is lost by the microdeletion. So now we have no gene activity, and we'll end with Angelman syndrome. And same is true for Prader-Willi syndrome. But that will happen when paternal copy is deleted and the maternal copy will be already silenced. Okay? The second way we can get these imprinted gene related diseases is a condition called uniparental diasomy. And how it happened that sometimes autosomes, both copies, are inherited from same parent. For instance, if a child inherits chromosome number 15, both copies from mother, it is same that the paternal copy is lost. So the paternal it is equal to deletion of paternal copy. So what will happen? Prader-Willi will occur with the recenter condition. Same is true for Angelman syndrome. That if both copies are inherited from father, it means that actually there is no mother copy which will be the active copy, and so we will get the imprinting disorder, which is Angelman in this case. And the last myth is the mutation in the gene, so that could also result in mutation in imprinted gene could result also the same condition. Thank you so much. I hope this will help.